Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a galaxy glow effects on your video on CapCut. So here I've already imported the main video, and to add the galaxy effect, galaxy glow, you can just use the overlay. And then here I got this overlay from on the internet, on TikTok actually. And here I screen recorded it, so it's kind of short, but you can find the long one on the internet. So I'm going to just split it, the main video, so that it fits, and then click on the overlay video, then go to splice, then click on overlay, and then here adjust the size, and it will go like this. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll see you all on the next videos. Bye bye.